Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a 3D printing service and you're looking for a professional, affordable website, you are certainly in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple website for your 3D printing service on the Mighty Sites platform. If you haven't heard of our platform before, we pretty much built Mighty Sites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for that free trial, and give it a go. So once you've joined the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. So usually I'd scroll to the top, search for my market over here, but I can see it right over here. So I'm going to go ahead and select 3D printing service. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my company name over here, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and click on continue and allow Mighty Sites to work its magic and create a simple website with the information I've just popped in. And there you have it. It's literally done it in a couple of seconds. It's really amazing. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all that content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the 3D printing projects you've completed. You want to showcase them on your website, maybe make 1 or 2 amendments to that content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any sort. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. It's that simple. So today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do all of that, make some minor amendments. Let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, click on update section. Over here, you can pop in your company email address for your business. And I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. You can now see my email address is visible. Phone number, if you have one, pop it in over here. That is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location, maybe you don't have one, maybe you're an online business, so you can leave that off. However, if you do have a address, go ahead and pop it in over here. Fantastic thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that link and that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. And update social links is where you can pop in your various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom, so your customers can easily reach out on social media, give you a follow, get some engagement going. Fantastic. Now for the next section, if you have a logo, click on update logo and browse your device to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on the pencil over it. You can make slight amendments. You can crop it, rotate it, zoom in, add filters or frames. Otherwise, if you're happy with your logo, click on save. Over here on the right is where you can make that logo bigger and smaller to suit your needs. Fantastic. Let's move along. Now, for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. Now, here's where you can browse your device to upload your own images if you've got them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There's hundreds of images to choose from, all completely free to use. Now, Mighty Sites will automatically search for 3D printing service. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and see what images pop up that are suitable for your business. There is a lot of suitable images. If you go back to all photo options, we now give you the option to actually connect your Instagram account with a click of a button. If you have an Instagram account, you can automatically pull in all your photos, showcase your work from your Instagram account and select them for each section. It's super easy. Now with Marty sites as well, we've actually pre-selected the colors for you as well, used throughout your websites. If you want to change them, you don't need to know any color coding. All you need to just click on the paint bucket, bottom right-hand corner, go through the various color palettes available. There's so many to choose from, and you're bound to find one that suits your business's marketing message and your branding. Great. Here's the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into this industry. Give your customers a little bit background story of how your business started. In the last section over here, we've got a lead generation form, perfect for CEO. Great way to keep track of all your customers or potential customers reaching out to you. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send with their query, and you will get notified by your registered email you have a new lead from this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain for your 3D printing service, go ahead and click on connect your domain. Say I already have a domain to set it up. It's really easy. If you're struggling, let us know. Add us as a user and we'll set it up for you. Otherwise, if you'd like to purchase a domain to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, click on that I want a new domain button. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your 3D printing service. Really wishing you and your business Marty success.